Wednesday with Papa. This one's about YouTube sticker board. I'm fixing to show you my two older boards that I'm kind of retiring, and I'll show you the brand new board that I just got it created today, and that's the new board going forward. This is my 2020 board. You're not gonna want to miss this. That's right. I'll also tell you my new schedule at this point in time in my life. Sundays, I'm putting a cooking video out. I'm gonna throw this in there real quick. On Sundays, if I do not have a cooking video to put out, I'm gonna go ahead and put a video out because that's my schedule for cooking. I may throw in a cooking tip in there for you, but the one cool part is at least one, if not more, videos that cooking videos, since it's a cooking show at that time on Sundays, I'm gonna shout some cooking videos out that I just happened to have gone over and saw this week, and help their views, and maybe you'll go over there, and that would be really cool. I think I got a couple ideas on how to do that, so therefore I still get a cooking video out. You just have to hear me talk for a second and pew, off to that person you go and you watch the cook. That's right. And I don't know if I'm saying this already or not in the other one. You can go over to papatexas Facebook, and I post them over there too. When I see a good cook, I throw it on there. That kind of fancies me and hopefully helps some of y'all out. Back to Papa. It's about views, not subscribers, but you got to be connected to me and for me to go check out that video and see you cooking it. All right. Wednesdays is Wednesdays with Papa, and right now I got so much mail in there. That's what's going to start going on this board, is all the stickers people are sending me, all the channel stickers or whatever. And I've got mail that's not stickers. Over the Wednesdays, until I get done with everybody, that will be what's my Wednesdays right now. And then we'll throw in some other stuff down the road. Anyway, let's get to it. I'll be right back. Alright, so you can see this is part of my sticker collection. These are awesome channels. There's some of them that have passed away. There's some of them that do not make videos on YouTube anymore and things like that. So we're going to retire this board and this board over here. I'll show you a better view of it in a minute, and I'll bring up my new board and show you how awesome it looks. And my P.O. box is down in my description down below for you to send me your stickers or whatever you want to send Papa. Because right now, I'm on a roll of every Wednesday, we're going to talk about mail call for a while because I need to get caught up. Alright, because it's been a while. And I have a mail call playlist going to be right there that you can go check out and see some of the older ones and see how it works. More or less, it's kind of like a shout out. Don't say that out loud, YouTube don't like it. Alright, so let me just bring this one over here. That's my second board. Of course, I broke it a year and a half ago, and we were all camping, a whole bunch of YouTubers, and Tack and Brenda over at AOK Forging and Outdoors taped it up and fixed it for me. That's right, because back here, Drive Shaft Drew got ripped in half. Yeah, that was one of my first stickers ever, about 4 years ago. Right here, Signs by Randy is the one that builds or creates my signs and stickers and everything. If you're on Instagram with me, he's done all that stuff on the back of my truck. All right, let's kick in the new board. Let me show you the new board. All right, there's now my new board. Let's just zoom in a little bit and let you see it. All right, so here's my new board. This is the one that these are the ones that create mine. My stickers are 10-year guarantee decals for outdoors. So they are impressive stickers. This is what you see. Of course, I put badge next to the Hero Soap Company. American Piddler. He called me the other day, and he and his wife talked for like an hour and a half while they're driving through Texas. Yeah, we were supposed to meet up, but it didn't happen. There's my Uncle Steve Shake. Y'all always check him out. Jay Landa on Instagram, JLanda1217. My buddy Billy over at Strong's Adventures. This is what I got. Gator's World. I got some mail in there from Gator's World that you'll be seeing again. Second thing I want to tell you, if you know my granddaughter Maddie, who does some cookings with me and stuff, but not as much lately for a couple different reasons, she has a blackboard. I got the whiteboard. It is what it is. Anyway, she has filled her blackboard up and she's getting a new board. They didn't have the black one today when I went and picked this one up. So anyway, send 2 stickers. So Maddie, M-A-D-I, gets one on her board and I get one on my board. And as we're doing this, I'll probably, if you have sent 2 stickers so far, I'm going to be putting you on my videos, and then I save up all hers so that when she is in town or she is here at the house, we can do hers and you get a second shout out because of Maddie. That's right, she loves building that board and y'all are so awesome. People have sent her money for Christmas and birthday and cards and just some little fun stuff. Booger knitted them some little booties to wear in the winter time. That was really cool. We appreciate it. We appreciate mail. P.O. Box, as I said, is always down below. My shirt size too, in case you want to send me a shirt to wear. Yeah, I like shirts. That's what I have. We're gonna see you on Wednesdays. Cooking on Sundays. The others on Wednesday. And right now, as I told you, the Wednesdays for a few weeks, it's gonna be mail call. Mail call y'all send me. So if you send me mail from this point forward, you just get added on and you'll be there. All right, it's Papa Texas back there. See ya.